If you've ever found yourself working and having to go back and forth between standing and sitting, or maybe a desk and a counter, I would highly recommend this drafting chair with backrest by Brick Attic. I was fortunate enough to receive this from the brand in exchange for my honest feedback. Honestly, I've been loving it. It's comfortable, it's easy to use, and I just love that it's on wheels and allows me to move around back and forth between different stations. The chair itself is height adjustable, so I can easily go from counter height to desk height, making it versatile. You can really use it for any kind of workstation, kitchen, salon, studio, really whatever you need. It's really comfortable. It's got an over 15-inch wide cushion, and the ergonomic backrest does provide some really nice support, especially if you have to sit in the chair for a while. The footrest ring is also adjustable, and it's also really easy to clean. Plus, this chair can support up to 300 pounds. Overall, I've been loving this Brick Attic drafting chair. It helps me with my posture. I really like the way it looks. Super easy to put together, only took a few minutes. And I love that I can use it and wheel around from different spaces in my work area. Highly recommend.